Jai Hind everyone. So the topic of my lecture is Indo-Myanmar relation. So India and Myanmar relation are rooted by the sharing of ethnic, historical, and cultural and religious tie with each other. As India is the land of Lord Buddha, so there are many pilgrims of Myanmar who came to visit India, this tourist place. As we know that both countries have sustained a good relation or a cordial relation between each other. If we see that India and Myanmar signed a treaty of friendship in 1951. By this, both countries have tried to develop their relation. As we know that India and Myanmar both have in 1987 by the Prime Minister of Rajiv Gandhi, a foundation, a relationship between both country foundation bridge was signed. If we see why is Myanmar so important for India, so Myanmar is the only country that shared country which share its road land border with India around 1624 kilometer. As we know that this is a country in the northeastern part of India. As this country like Myanmar also shared its border around 724 kilometer in the Bay of Bengal maritime border. And we see both country have good relation, and Myanmar is the first country for India as a first neighborhood policy. Both look at the east. If we see that both countries have the power or good relation, as we also notice that Myanmar is a country that very help for India for the practicing of regional diplomacy. If we see one thing another that both countries have 5B common. 5B means first is Buddhism, second is business, third is Bharatanatyam, fourth is Bollywood, and fifth is Burma tea. If we see there are some major projects established by India, like Kala Dam project established in India in Myanmar, and if we see some cooperation, so India and Myanmar is a member of ASEAN become in July 1997, and India and Myanmar also is a member of BIMSTEC, and if we see other both have working for the Mekong Ganga project. Thank you. Jai Hind.